Today, I'll show you how to use tags to group people in Microsoft Teams. If you regularly need to reach the same set of people, Microsoft Teams has a built-in feature called tags. Microsoft says tags let you group team members by role, project, skill, department, or schedule, and then use that tag in an @ mention. So instead of tagging everyone one by one, you can mention the whole group at once. To get started, open Microsoft Teams and go to the team where you want to create the group, then select the team name, open the team options, and go to Manage Tags. Microsoft says from there, people with permission can create and manage tags for that team. Create a new tag, give it a clear name like Design, Sales, Managers, or Project A, and then add the team members you want inside that tag. Once the tag is created, you can start using it right away. Go to a channel post or chat, type @ followed by the tag name, and select it from the list. Microsoft says when you @mention a tag, everyone in that tag gets notified. That makes tags very useful for sending updates to a specific group without notifying the entire team. There's also another useful option. Microsoft says you can start a chat with all members of a tag, not just use the tag in a channel post. That helps when you want to message a smaller working group directly instead of posting in a public team channel. Now here's something important to remember. Tags work inside a team, so they're mainly for organizing members of that specific team. They are different from normal @ mentions, where you tag one person, a channel, or the entire team. Microsoft says tags are specifically meant for smaller reusable groups inside a team. If your organization uses shifts and teams, Microsoft also has shift-based tags. Microsoft says these automatically assign tags based on schedule group names, so people on the current shift can be reached more easily with a tag mention. That's especially useful for frontline teams. So, in simple terms, open your team, go to Manage Tags, create a tag, add the right people, and then use @tag name whenever you want to notify that group quickly in Teams. And that's how to use tags to group people in Microsoft Teams. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.